Everyone, another day, another property. This is your friendly broker once again, Lucila Montes. So for today's vlog, no, I'm here one of the overlooking view here in Kitcharaw, Agusan del Norte. So sa mga farm lot lover dyan nga investor, natay yung listing here nga very nice ang view o very affordable ang price as low as 50 pesos per square. Imagine. But you have to buy the whole area. Dili pwede ang subdivide only. So this is the area, guys. So imagine na kay farm nga property, farm lot I mean, nga overlooking siya sa Lake Mainit. So for more details and more aerial view for this property, direct message lang ko. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.